this video I'm gonna show you how to make a pop-up message. You have two kind of pop-up message. The first one is toast and the second one is snack bar. For this reason, let's create a button, because when we click the button, the pop-up message will be appear. Let's delete this. Let's write something in text. For example, send pop-up message. Let's make it bold. Now let's make an ID for this. For example, my button. Now let's go to the main activity. Into a main activity, first let's create the button object. After that, let's specify this. And now let's make it button. Send message dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and after that, when the user click the button, the toast message or the pop-up message should be appear. For this, let's write toast. Click on it. The first parameter is the context. The second parameter is your message, whatever you wanna show for the user. For example, I wanna write this is toast. And in here we have two things. One is length short, one is length long. If we use length short, the message will be appear for the user for a short time. If we use long, the message will be appear for the user for the long time. And let's change it into long time. Now let's see it. Now let's click the button. Yes, the toast message will be appear.